How to find blocked accounts on TikTok now. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find blocked accounts on TikTok now. First open TikTok now and then click on your profile here, then click these three lines in top corner and then click privacy, and here click here you will find it blocked accounts. Here you will find all your block list, and that's it. Just block someone and come here and you will find it, and that's it. I hope that can help you. It's easy, of course, and that's it. Now just go back. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.